Works with Alexa for voice control. Alexa device sold separately. Control and monitor your door from anywhere. Lock and unlock your door, control keyless access and keep track of who comes and goes, all from your phone. Be sure you're secure with DoorSense. Only August has DoorSense to tell you if your door is securely closed and locked. Always know who is coming and going. Track activity at your doorstep with a 24/7 activity feed. Keep your existing lock and keys. Easily attaches to your existing deadbolt. Use your existing keys at anytime.Requires 110-240V. Locks automatically behind you, and unlocks as you approach. Requires iOS 9.0 or higher, or Android 5.0 or higher, smartphones. Retrofit installation works with most standard single-cylinder deadbolts. Simple, DIY installation. Install in about 10 minutes with just a screwdriver.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,